So welcome to the session. Here we'll discuss nested function, right? Here we'll discuss nested function. Create it. Say define the function with keyword def function 1 and colon means body of the function will start, and I am writing x equals 10 and I am going to print this 10, print x, right? So inside the function 1 I am going to write function 2, def function 2, then column to start the body, then y equals 20 and then print y. X is inside the first function and y is inside the second function, and fun2 is inside fun1. Now I am going to call function 2. So here I will call function 2. Okay, and outside I will call function 1. So what will be the output? First 10 and then 20. Run it, 10 and 20. So this is the example of nested function in Python. Now let's understand the storage concept. Copy this, go to the Thonny editor, paste here the code, run the program, and then try to understand. Answer is coming 10 and 20. Okay, here you can see 10 and 20 is the answer. Name function 1. Function 1 is the name. Okay, and what about x and y? What about x and y? So view, what to do? Object inspector. Okay, run this. Can you see anything in object inspector? Stack, object inspector, and location. So object inspector, leave it, check outline once. Outline. So object inspector not required, assistant not required, stack not required, we have checked. Let's go in exception, run it. So no exceptions are there, just I am checking one by one. Okay, help. Okay, now help is not needed, note is not needed, heap is noted, outline not needed, heap is needed, cell is needed, stack is variable is needed, and then program argument is needed. This is the Thonny editor which shows the concept of variable. X and y are local to the function. Okay, x and y are local to the function. So this is how concept of nested function works in Python. Thank you for watching.